Talking on, I'm going to explain the probability chapter. Probability of an event is given by number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Okay, let's see what is total number of outcomes, what is number of favorable outcomes. Let us take a simple example, that is tossing a coin. When you toss a coin, there are two possible outputs. Either head may occur or tail may occur, because coin has a two faces. One is head, one is tail. Okay. What is the probability of getting head? Probability of getting head is given by how many heads are there in the outcomes? Here 1. 1 by total number of outcomes is 2. Similarly, there may be a question that what is the probability of getting the tail? Tail also the same thing. How many tails are there in the outcomes? Here 1. The total number of outcomes is how much? 2. That is probability of getting the head and tail are 1 by 2. Okay. Next, if you toss the tossing the two coins together, okay, what if you toss the two coins together, what are the possible outcomes? You may get head, both the coins has a head on the upper face, head and tail, or tail and head, and tail and tail. There are total 4 possible outcomes. So there are total 4 possible outcomes. Okay, what is the probability of getting head? What is getting a head? Getting head means getting two heads. Okay, there is two heads is only one possibility here, 1 by 4. Okay, what is the probability of getting two tail? Okay, getting a two tail is nothing but there is only two tail here, so that is why it is 1 by 4, 1 by total number of the outcomes. Okay, what is the probability of getting at least one head? At least one head means at least one. You may have one head, or you may have two head. That is probability of one head also, probability of two head also. At least means it is at least, it starts from 1. At least one head means one you may have one head, or you may have two head. That is this thing. You may have one head, here in this case you have one head, and here in this case you have two head. These three are included as 3 by 4. Okay. Next question, what is the probability of having at least one tail? This is also same thing. At least one tail means you may have one tail, or you may have two tails. See, here you have two tails, here in this case you have one tail. Total is 3 by 4. Okay. Now there may be a question that at most one head. At most one head means at the most one head. Okay, you may have 0 head, or you may have one head. At the most one should not cross 1. Okay, so you may have 0 also, 0 and 1. That is, you may have 0 head. 0 head means both are tail means it's a 0 head, and here you have one head. So total 3 possible things. That is 3 by 4. Okay. Similarly, at most one tail. It is also same thing. Either you may have 0 tail or one tail. See, a 0 tail in the sense this is a 0 tail case. Here there is no tail. So here one tail means this is a one tail case. These 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. So these are the questions regarding the tossing a coin. Now let us take one more example. Let's see what is the probability events when throwing a dice. When you throw dice, what is the outcomes? You get 6 outcomes. Either 1 may occur, 2, 3, 4, or 5, or 6 may occur. In this, the questions are likely this. What is the probability of getting the even number? How many even numbers are there here? 2, 4, 6. 3 even numbers. 3 even numbers, and total outcomes is how much? 6. 3 by 6. That is likely to be 1 by 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. What is the probability of getting the odd number? Odd numbers. What are the odd numbers over here? 1, 3, and 5. That is 3 by 6. That is total number of outcomes is 6. Next comes is, what is the probability of getting the multiple of 2? What is the multiple of 2? How many multiples of 2 is there here? 2, 4, and 6. 3 numbers are there. 3 by 6. 3 by 6. Similarly, I can go for multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 also you get 3 and 6. Multiple of 3 is number which comes in the 3 table. 3 is table. Okay, 3 and 6. There are two numbers. Again 2 by 6. Okay, this comes to be 1 by 3. Here also you can mention it as 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, next question they may ask you, what is the probability of getting the prime number? What are the different prime numbers here? 2, 3, and 5. It's again 3 by 6. 3 by 6. Okay. Now let's see what is when you throwing a two dice simultaneously, or throwing a dice twice. It's one and the same. Either you throw a dice twice or throwing two dice simultaneously. So what are the outcomes? Each throw of dice has 6 outcomes, and throwing a two dice means 36 outcomes. These are the outcomes. You can see 1, 1, 1, 2, and so on, 1, 6. Similarly 2, 1, 2, 2, and so on, 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, and so on, 3, 6. So like this, 6, 1 to 6, 6. Total 36 outcomes are there. Okay. If suppose the event is like somehow sum on the same number on the both the dice, that means 1 1, both same number on the both the dice, that is 2 2, this 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. Total how many outcomes are there? 6 by 36. Okay, there may be another question that sum on the dice, sum on the both the dice should be 2, that is 2 means what? 1 plus 1 is 2, this is included, that is 1 by 36. Sum on the dice is 3, 3 means this one, that is 2, 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1, that is 2 by 36. Okay, similarly 4, 4 means 2 comma 2, this number, and 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1. Sum on the dice is 4, that is 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. So it is how much? 3 by 36. 3 by 36. Similarly sum is 5, that is sum is 4. Sum is 5. Sum is 5 means 1 comma 4, 4 comma 1, 1 comma 4, 4 comma 1 and 3 comma 2, 2 comma 3. So there are 4 outcomes, 4 by 36. Okay. So similarly you can find rest of the things. Now let's see a problem of this kind where the bag contains 5 red balls and 3 black balls. What is the probability of getting the red balls? What is the probability of getting the red balls? What are the total number of balls here? Total number of balls is here 8. Total number of balls is 8. 5 plus 3, 8. What is the probability of getting the red balls? Red balls, how many red balls are there? 5. So 5 by 8. Okay, what is the probability of getting the black ball? Probability of getting the black ball. That is, how many black balls are there here? 3. So 3 by 8. There may be a question like that. Non-red ball. No red. Non-red ball. Not red. What is the probability of getting the not red ball? Not red ball means not red. Rest of the ball. That is ball 3. Black ball. 3 by 8. Not red means other than red. That is 3 by 8. Only black balls. You can ask similarly not black. Not black is not included. Rather other colors than red. How many are there? 5 by 8. Okay. Similar the question is the bag contains 3 type of balls. There may be black, 5, red, 6 and blue, 3. In this case, what is the probability of getting the black ball? Black ball, it is 5 by total number of balls. What are the total number of balls here? 5 plus 6, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 6 is 14. So you get 5 by 14. What is the probability of getting the red ball? You get 6 by 14. There are 6 red balls are there. So 6 by total number of balls. What is the probability of getting the blue ball? You are getting 3 by 14. Okay. Now if the question is like, what is the probability of getting not black? Not black in the sense other than black. Other than black, how many balls are there? 6 plus 3. Other than black. Black are 5. Other than black is 6 plus 3. Red and blue. 9 by 14. Similarly, you can go for not red. Not red is how much it is here? Not red means other than red. It is black and blue. 5 plus 3. 8 by 14. Similarly, you can go for not blue also. Similarly, what is the probability of getting the yellow ball? Yellow ball is not there. Probability of getting the yellow ball is 0. Yellow ball is not there. If the ball is not there, then the probability of getting the yellow ball is 0. Okay, let's see the probability related to the cards. Okay, before going to the probability, let's see that how many cards are there. There are total 52 cards, or in that 13 are heart and 13 diamond and 13 club and 13 spade. Okay, 13 in the sense 2 to 9, you have a 9 numbers, you have 2 to 10s. Then you have 4 cards, that is K, Q, J, A. K means king, Q means queen, J means jack and A means ace. You have 4 cards this and 2 to 10 numbers. Total 9 plus 4, 13 cards each. Okay. Okay, now how many face cards you have? Face cards means the face is printed on the card. There are 3 face cards in each one. You have a king, queen and jack. The face is printed over there. So you have 3 face cards in each. 3 into 4 you have 12 face cards. Okay, 12 face cards. Okay. Okay, now in this, how many red cards you have? You have a red card is 26. You have black card is also 26. This is 2 black and these 2 are red. Okay. Now what are the probability they may ask? Probability of getting a queen. Each type has 1 king. So that has 4 kings, 4 by 52. What is the probability of getting queen? Each has one queen in this, so it is 4 by 52. Okay. Similarly, each type has one A, so it is the probability of getting the ace is also 52, 4 by 52. What is the probability of getting red card? You have total 26 red cards, so 26 by 52. Okay, it is 1 by 2. So you can simplify it further. You can simplify it. What is the probability of getting the black card? You have total 26 black card, that is also 26 by 52. Okay. Now they may ask you what is the probability of getting the face card. As I told you, there are 12 face cards, 3 each, that is king, queen and jack. 3 into 4 type, that is 3 into 4, 12. 12 by 52. Okay. They may ask you what is the probability of getting the heart. There are 13 hearts, 13 by 52. So I can say 13 by 52 here. What is the probability of getting the diamond? That is again the 13 cards of diamond, you have 13 by 52. What is the probability of getting the club card? Again 13 by 52 you have. What is the probability of getting spade card? You have 13 by 52. Okay. Okay, this is, so they may ask you this question also, what is the probability of getting the black king? There are 2 black kings, 2 black cards, 2 type of black card means the 2 black kings, 2 by 52. What is the probability of getting the red kings? 2 by 52. Same, in similarly they can ask for the queen also. Okay. Okay, this is related to the card probability related to the card. There may be twisted questions, so these are the some basic questions.